Welcome to Toyama. Thermostat wiring and installing onto the wall. Unboxing Toyama thermostat. Thermostat box fixing frame fixing screws. Installation. Fix the frame to the metal box. Use only fixing screws supplied along with the switch and fix the frame to the metal box and tighten them gently till the frame is aligned and firm with the wall. Carefully look at the circuit diagram sticker at the back of the thermostat for wiring. Before starting the wiring, switch off the MCB. Identify the wires in the metal box on the wall. Ensure the phase and neutral wire size are 2.5 square mm. Identify the three fan coil speed wires and ensure they are 1.5 square mm size. Properly strip and twist all the wires for firm connections in the switch terminals. First connect the phase wire and neutral wire to the terminals L and N in the thermostat. Also loop L or phase to terminal 8. This will give 220 volts AC to the thermostat for operating. Switch on the MCB. Press the center button. See the switch is powered up and the display is glowing. Touch each key of the thermostat to confirm all the keys are functioning properly. Switch off the MCB once again. Connect one by one the three fan coil wires to the respective terminals low, medium and high. Connect the chiller valve solenoid wires to the terminal. Neutrally push all the wires evenly to the back of metal box. Please place the switch in position and gently push to lock with the frame. Now switch on the MCB once again. LED display will glow. Testing. Touch any up and down key to bring the display into set mode of temperature. Auto, low, medium, high. Dual mode setting for energy saving. Remove the loop wire from L or phase to terminal 8. Connect wire from output or load terminal of card switch. Set the management temperature, say 28 degrees, for saving the energy when room is not occupied. Touch mode key to display the cooling symbol. Again, touch and hold the mode key. It will display F1. Touch down key to change F1 to F4. Touch fan key. Set the desired management temperature 28 degrees. Touch fan key to display F4. Press center button one time to save the setting to 28 degrees. Now when the card is removed from the card switch and guest goes out, the temperature will change the temperature setting from that of say 21 degree to 28 degrees. You have successfully installed the thermostat.